Okay, hi JC.
Hey, Shai.
Hi, tell us a little bit about the project, what we did in your house, your backyard, the side, the front. How was the experience working with Green Advisor?
So we had a pretty substantial remodel here. We redid our front yard. We went from grass to turf in the front yard. We built a new walkway. We built a new driveway heading into the back.
We extended the driveway.
We expanded the parking spaces, and we have 2 parking spaces in the front. We remodeled really the backyard.
Wow.
So we were able to add a pool. We maximized the space by adding a pool, and then just still keeping a little bit of the greenery here. And of course, the big deal here was we added a whole almost 700 square feet of space here with our ADU. We turned our garage into an ADU. So Shai has been with us from the start. He and his team have been great through this entire process. We were able to communicate really well through this entire process. That's been the biggest piece for me, is being able to get a hold of him when I need to. He's been pretty great at that. So all in all, I think our experience with Green Advisor has been very solid, very good. So we appreciate it. We appreciate their help to get this process really going. And quite frankly, to get it done in the amount of time that they did, I think that was really the key for us.
Record time. And a new baby in between.
In the process of having a kid and working on our careers and the whole nine. So
That's the new ADU.
yeah, so the new space, our new living space here in our ADU, with a full kitchen. We plan to have this as like a little pool cabana / living space. Shai's in the process of building us a cabinet for here, so we're almost done here. The bathroom's done, and then both of these are now kind
2
of
rooms.
office spaces, workout rooms for my wife and I.
Beautiful.
So we're really excited about how everything really kind of turned out, and I'm just really looking forward to finally furnishing the place.
Yeah, we're on it. JC, was a true pleasure meeting you and working with you. Obviously, we're neighbors, so we're gonna stay good friends.
And our dogs seem to like it.
Johnny, say hi. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.